Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Rodan Among Us crewmate skin. So I hope you guys really enjoy. Now, to start off with our Rodan Among Us skin, we're going to begin with the little face lens. So I'm going to start right here, and I want to draw a line that's just going to go over, and then it's just going to kind of curl down and come back like this. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and connect right to there. Next, we want to draw the actual suit. So I'm going to start really close here to the edge, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and over. So I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come over to about here. Then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go down like this. Next, starting here, we're going to take this line and we're just going to go down to about the same spot, kind of lined up with this. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over and then up. Now, I want to start right inside the leg here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes over to here. Then I'm going to go down and then over like this. Now, starting here, we want to add the little pack. So I'm going to start right about here, and you just draw a line that goes out. It's going to come down and then go right back over to here. So we have our little basic Among Us style character. Now we just want to turn him into a little Rodan character. The first thing we want to do is draw the wings. So you want to start right here, and you want to draw a line that goes up to here. Then it's going to come out. I'm going to take this line and I'm going to bring it back here. Then I'm going to draw another one that goes down and comes up. Then I'm going to add one more that goes down and then up. And then we're going to bring it right to here. Then inside of each one of these, I'm going to connect it with a curved line. So we'll just curve to here. I'm going to curve to here. And then we'll curve right to there. Next, we want to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to curve this line up. I'm going to draw a line that goes out. I'm going to bring it right back up. Then I'm going to go down and up again. And then down and up one more time. Then we just connect it right to here. And just like we did on this one, we're just going to connect each one of these with a little curved line. Now, starting down here, I want to give them a little tail. So we're just going to draw a little line that goes out, and then it curves right back to here. And I also want to add some of the horns on here. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up, and then it's going to come back. And I want to draw another one here that goes up at a curve and then comes back. Then the last thing that I want to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down to here. So I'm going to curve this line down to here. And then I'm going to draw another line that goes right down to here. And I'm going to add some V shapes in here. So a little V shape here, and then a little V shape right here, just to add a little bit of detail for like the stomach. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Among Us character with a Rodan skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.